Welcome to an incredible European adventure. Today, we're traveling from Goa, India to one of the most fascinating regions on Earth, Europe. This continent is home to stunning architecture, rich history, diverse cultures, and unforgettable experiences. Get ready for an amazing 10-day solo backpacking journey. Europe is famous for its beautiful cities, world-class museums, iconic landmarks, and delicious cuisine. Every country offers something unique, whether it's the romantic streets of Paris, the ancient ruins of Rome, or the breathtaking landscapes of Switzerland. Europe has something for every traveler. Summer is one of the best seasons to visit Europe. The weather is pleasant, days are longer, and most attractions remain open for extended hours. Outdoor festivals, beautiful gardens, and lively city streets make summer the perfect season for exploration. If you're traveling solo, hostels are your best friend. They are affordable, social, and often located near major attractions. Many hostels offer shared kitchens, free walking tours, and opportunities to meet travelers from around the world. If you prefer more comfort and privacy, mid-range hotels are a great option. These hotels usually provide private rooms, breakfast, Wi-Fi, and convenient locations. They offer a balance between affordability and comfort. For travelers seeking a premium experience, Europe offers some of the world's finest luxury hotels. Expect elegant rooms, exceptional service, incredible views, and unforgettable hospitality. While expensive, they provide a truly memorable stay. One of the greatest parts of traveling in Europe is experiencing its incredible food. Every country has its own flavors, traditions, and specialties. From fresh pastries to authentic pasta, every meal becomes part of the adventure. Make sure to try Italian.
Scene 8. Top 5 foods to try. Make sure to try Italian pizza, creamy pasta, French croissants, Belgian waffles, and traditional German sausages. These dishes represent some of Europe's most beloved culinary traditions and are enjoyed by millions of visitors every year. Scene 9. Street food safety. Street food can be delicious and affordable, but always choose vendors with good hygiene standards. Look for busy stalls with fresh ingredients and high customer turnover. Drink safe water and carry hand sanitizer during your travels. Scene 10. Summer weather. Summer temperatures across Europe generally range between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius. Some southern regions may be hotter, while mountain areas remain cool. Always check local forecasts before heading out for the day. Scene 11. What to wear. Pack lightweight clothing, comfortable walking shoes, sunglasses, and a light jacket. European weather can change quickly, especially in mountainous regions. Dressing in layers helps you stay comfortable throughout the day. Scene 12. Packing smart. Packing light is one of the most important travel skills. A compact backpack allows you to move easily through airports, train stations, and city streets. Bring only essential items and leave extra space for souvenirs. Scene 13. Flights to Europe. Flights from India to Europe usually take between 8 and 12 hours, depending on the destination and connections. Booking several months in advance can help you find better fares and save money.
Always compare flight prices on multiple platforms before purchasing tickets. Flexible travel dates often result in lower prices. Reading reviews and checking baggage policies can help avoid unexpected costs. Getting around Europe. Europe has one of the world's most efficient transportation networks. Trains, buses, metros, and trams connect major cities and tourist attractions. Public transportation is usually reliable, affordable, and easy to use. The Eiffel Tower. Standing proudly in Paris, the Eiffel Tower is one of the most recognized landmarks in the world. Visitors can enjoy spectacular city views from the observation decks and experience the magic of Paris from above. The Colosseum. The Colosseum in Rome is a masterpiece of ancient engineering. This historic amphitheater once hosted gladiator battles and public events. Walking through its corridors offers a glimpse into the grandeur of ancient Rome. The Swiss Alps. The Swiss Alps offer breathtaking scenery with snow-covered peaks, crystal-clear lakes, and charming mountain villages. Whether hiking, sightseeing, or simply relaxing, the Alps provide unforgettable natural beauty. Passport requirements.
Before traveling, ensure your passport remains valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned return date. Keep digital and physical copies of important documents in separate locations. Schengen visa. Many European countries are part of the Schengen area. A Schengen visa allows travelers to visit multiple participating countries using a single visa, making multi-country trips more convenient.
Visa applications may be completed through embassies, visa centers, or online systems depending on the destination. Always prepare documents carefully and apply well before your departure date. Staying safe. Europe is generally safe for travelers, but it's important to stay alert. Keep valuables secure, avoid displaying expensive items, and remain aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas. Avoiding common scams. Be cautious of distraction scams, fake petitions, and unofficial taxi services. If something feels suspicious, trust your instincts and move away from the situation. Local customs and etiquette. Respect local traditions and cultural norms. Learning a few basic greetings in the local language shows respect and often friendlier interactions with residents. Health preparation. Carry essential medications, a first aid kit, and any prescriptions you may need. Staying hydrated, getting enough rest, and maintaining good hygiene can help ensure a healthy trip.
Travel insurance can protect you from unexpected medical expenses, trip cancellations, lost baggage, and emergencies. Consider it an important investment for international travel. Emergency medical services. Know the local emergency numbers before arriving. In case of illness or injury, seek professional medical assistance immediately and contact your insurance provider if necessary. Managing your money. Create a daily budget for accommodation, food, transportation, and sightseeing. Monitoring expenses helps prevent overspending and ensures you can enjoy your trip without financial stress. Lost passport procedure. If your passport is lost or stolen, report it to local authorities immediately. Contact your country's embassy or consulate for assistance in obtaining emergency travel documents. Google Maps and final thoughts. Google Maps can be your best travel companion. Download offline maps, save important locations, and create travel routes in advance. Europe offers endless opportunities for adventure, discovery, and unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining this journey, and safe travels on your next great adventure.